Here, there goes Big Boss Bird. You see that? There she is. Okay, see that one? Man, she's sneaky. She's back in there. I know you're in there, bird. I know you're in there. Ugh. She took a whole slice of bread from this bird, this bird, this bird, and this bird. These are big birds. Big bird, big bird, big bird, big bird. Rooster. Little bird. Steals food from the big birds. And they can't do anything about it. Because she's a big boss bitch. She's a big boss bitch bird, John. She's a big boss bitch bird. John says, I know. Oh, there she is. She came out. She's still got hers. Oh, she finally lost it. You lost it. No, you didn't. You got a little piece left. She ate everything, but what she just left dropped to Elizabeth. I don't know what your name is yet, but you are something. Or she's going to go for more. I think she's going to try to steal more. She's going to go for more. And that's Erin. Erin doesn't fuck around, you know? Yeah, you're something. Man, she's mean.